Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I noticed the title and the thumbnail and I wonder what's the problem and stuff like that, but we could just get straight into the video, guys. The video on the normal is I crack some joke here and there and all them something, but the video here, I not for making you feel sad or down or anything like that, but the video here is not funny. So, there's a serious thing that's happening in the world right now, and we just have to, speak on it. So that video is not for bash nobody or for bring down nobody, but to bring awareness to the topic, you know what I mean? So basically everybody see what happening in the world. You see that every day or every other day a person dead because of them color, because of them skin color, because them black. Why is it fair for another person cannot live them best life or this or that because them white and we the black can't do it? Why is it fair? Why is it that our skin tone is a crime? God make each and every one of us equally. If God did want everybody white, He would make everybody white. God want a mixture of people in the world. So why is it that it's only fair for Uno alone I live and we black can't live? Today a Blackout Tuesday, guys. Most of you may know what that means. Most of you may not know what that means. So it's basically like you wear black for the day or you post black on your social media. Anything what to do with Black Lives Matter, you post it. So this, as you can see, the whole rioting and the whole looting we are going in the world because of what the white officer did to George Floyd, the black man. Like, come on. Everybody deserves to breathe. Everybody deserves a shot at life. Why is it fair for you to take somebody's life when they never give it to them? Huh? That's not cool, guys. And I cannot do them something there. It not fair. It not fair. It not fair none at all. Why is it that me I feel fear say you might go out a road and not come back in because of your skin tone? And I need for the better. And I can't just walk and I kill black people, so we deserve life too. Guys, me proud for be black and you for proud for be black too. No make nobody make you want change your skin color because of what I want. We can stand together as a black nation and conquer whatever the enemy have for we. We can conquer, we can work together. We need to raise awareness. Do not be afraid to be black. Do not be afraid to be black. Be black with pride. Be black with pride, guys. Of course, most of the whole looting and the whole rioting, we not agree with that, but what? That's the only thing we can do to make our voices be heard. Because nobody is not going to look and listen to it if we not do something to make our voices be heard. We got to make our voices be heard, guys. You need to speak on it, whether you're black or you're white. As long as you're part of a black nation, you need to speak on it. You can also be white in skin tone and also be black on the inside. So you need to speak on it. You need we need justice. We need justice. We do need justice. I'm not come with a speech, prepare or anything like that. I'm just a speak off of I'm just a speak based on what happening in the world right now. Everything what happen right now, guys, like it need to stop. It need to stop. We shouldn't be afraid because our skin tone is darker than yours. Why is it? Why we need to be afraid because we ear are afro and your ear straight? We are all human. We are all human being. We are all human being. A long time we black people have got through them something here. Well, me never born yet, but when I come from a black race, a black nation, so we have to speak on it. From in a slavery we suffer. Now we gain independence, our black people have a little bit of voice, and it come like so we not have none. Why is it that the white always have to be in control? Why is it that we all can come together, unite and work together? Why is it that we have to be a slave to Uno? That's not cool. Like, everybody deserves to live happy. Everybody deserves a chance in life. Why you a conquer we because of we skin tone? Do not afraid to be black, guys. Do not on the need for speak on it, on the need for share, on the need for share the video and so they can get other people to speak on it. It's like black people don't have a voice. It's like black people don't have a voice. It's like everything we do is wrong because of our skin tone. If rioting and looting are the only way black people can get them voice heard, then you do what you have to do. You do what you have to do. It's not fair, enough fair for only you get fair live free and we have keep on a fair suffer for everything. Why? And not only that, guys, as I said, that video enough for bash anybody because I love all color, but I'm saying we need justice. We need justice. We need to feel like we can live equal. We need to feel like we can live free, like a next person who is not of our skin tone. Okay, them not like we. Them only use it because it's beneficial to them. That's the only thing we can get out there. Them not really like black. Them only use it because it's beneficial to them. It's not fair to us. It's not fair. Why we need to be afraid to be black? What is so wrong with being black? What is so wrong with being black? All I'm saying, guys, Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Okay? And we need to live in peace just like the next person. We need to stop all of this. We need to stop all of this. Hands up, don't shoot. Like, it's simple like that. Let we be black in peace. If God did want the whole world to be white or different type of skin tone, he would have do that. He need a mixture of black, white, brown, purple, pink. He need a mixture of everything. We need each other. Why fight against each other? Why is it that you feel like you need to take somebody's life because they're black? God take your life? Right now you're still living because you have a purpose on the earth, just like how the black man have a purpose on the earth. Why is it that you feel the need to take away his purpose on the earth? Huh? Everybody want to be black, but when it comes to the real test, you don't really not like we. Yeah, we go out there to go see somebody a tan just to get a little shade in them skin, and we naturally black and yeah 8 per way. That makes sense? That not smart. That not smart. You don't have to think things. You can't just act off our skin tone and not look beyond with skin tone. Like we are human being. We are human just like look beyond with skin tone. Why is it that our blackness is a crime? Why? Why is it that our blackness is a crime? We need justice. Like, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair, none at all. It don't fair. It really not fair. You have to do better. It don't fair, guys. It don't fair. Guys, only thing I have to do is just try to be safe out there. Just try to be safe. Because at this point, when I see what going on in the world and I see say it not going to change. No matter how we try to speak on it, it not change. It not change. We have to just try to protect yourself and protect the black community. Everybody have to just stand for each other, walk for each other. Because it not going to change. It really not going to change. No peace, no justice. And that's just that. Only no want a peace. I don't want justice. That's why I keep on do that to black. I bet you any money would have never do that to your skin tone. Never. Why is it only fair for Uno alone to be happy? Why? We need to unite. We need to unite. We need to stop all of this. We need to stop all of this. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. A black man can't run on the road. A black man can't walk on the road. A black man can't ride on the road. A black man cannot be a black man. Because what? It's a crime to who know? It's a crime not for eyes. What is it about our skin tone? We're gonna have to treat you like this. What is it? Why should I be afraid to be black when that's the person I am? Why? You're not afraid to be white? But not crucify you to be white. So why not crucify us to be black? Damn, bro. We need justice. That's all I have to say. We need justice. We need if we can live free and happy like the next person. We need to. What I have to say, guys, just speak on that topic here, bring awareness, teach on a younger person or on a younger individual, on a younger sibling or anybody who can teach them to love them color of them skin, teach them to love being black. Nothing is wrong with being black. You are black for a reason. You are black for a reason. Remember that. Be proud of your blackness. Be proud of your dark skin tone. Be proud. Be proud. Be real proud. Don't make nobody make you afraid to be black. We need to raise awareness on this topic, guys. We need to. We don't want to bash nobody, but we have a right to speak on it. Just like we have a right to live. Black people have a right. And they need to stop take our rights. And they need to stop. It don't make no sense. And they need to stop. We deserve a chance to be black. We deserve it. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Rest in peace to all of the black souls out there who lost them life in the hands of a next skin tone. R.I.P. to George Floyd. R.I.P. to everyone, every black person who dead because of the color of them skin.